Every night, millions of people say the exact same sentence.
Tomorrow. I'll wake up early tomorrow.
And then tomorrow comes.
The alarm rings. Your eyes open, just a little.
Your hand doesn't go to the alarm. It goes to your phone.
Just 5 minutes, you tell yourself.
40 minutes later, you're still there.
And now you're late. You feel bad. And at night, you say it again.
Tomorrow, for sure.
If that sounds like you, honestly, it sounds like almost everyone.
And today, we're not just talking about routines.
We're teaching you the English for it. Real sentences, real feelings, real life.
Because I woke up late again is a sentence you're gonna need.
Trust us.
Hey, welcome back to Easy Lingo English. I'm Paul.
And I'm Anna. And today's episode is a little different.
We're talking about something every student on Earth understands. The struggle to have a good routine.
But here's the thing. This isn't a boring wake up at 5 a.m. video.
No way. This is about something smarter. Systems, not willpower.
And along the way, you're going to learn some really useful English. Words about habits, feelings, and daily life.
So get comfortable. Maybe grab your coffee.
Or your tea. We don't judge.
Let's get into it.
Part 1. The Morning Battle.
Okay, so let's start with a question. What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Be honest.
For most people, it's the phone.
And here's the strange part. We think it's because we're lazy or we don't have discipline.
But that's usually not true.
The real problem is simpler than that. If your phone is right next to your bed, picking it up isn't weakness.
It's just normal. Your environment made that decision for you, not your brain.
Environment beats willpower.
So here's a simple English sentence for this. I check my phone first thing in the morning.
I check my phone first thing in the morning.
And if you want to change that habit, here's another one. I charge my phone across the room.
I charge my phone across the room.
Small change, big result.
Okay, so let's imagine two students. Same goal, same subject, same exam.
One gives up after 3 days.
The other studies for months without needing extra motivation.
And here's the question that matters. Who was smarter? Actually, neither. The difference was the system.
Not who tried harder, who designed their day better.
And that's such an important idea, honestly. It's not about being a stronger person.
It's about making good choices easy and bad choices hard.
Let's practice that idea in English. I want to build a better system.
I want to build a better system.
Now, here's something beautiful. There's a Japanese idea called kaizen.
It means big success comes from small daily steps, not one huge change.
So instead of I need a perfect morning,
try I do one small thing right.
Let's say it together. Small steps every day.
Small steps every day.
Beautiful. Okay, moving on.
Part 2. The study trap. This one's a mistake almost everyone makes. So, you're up. Phone is far away. Great start.
But here's where a lot of people fail. They sit down, open the book, and just start reading immediately.
And your body is still half asleep, so your brain says,
I'm just not in the mood.
I'm not in the mood.
But wait, here's the strange part. You don't need to wait for motivation.
You just need to send your body a signal.
5 minutes, a little stretching, a short walk, even 10 jumping jacks.
Your body basically says, oh, okay, it's time to focus now.
New phrase. I need to warm up before I study.
I need to warm up before I study.
And here's something interesting about timing. Your brain is freshest in the morning.
So that's the time for your hardest subject. Math, physics, whatever you keep avoiding.
Not your easy subject, the scary one.
Because sometimes a subject isn't actually hard.
You're just studying it at the wrong time of day.
That one hit different, honestly.
Right?
Okay, now here's a trick that actually changes everything. It's called active recall.
Sounds complicated. It's not.
Study for 10 minutes, then close the book.
And ask yourself, what do I remember right now?
If you remember nothing, that's okay. That's actually part of the process.
Your brain doesn't get stronger from reading something again and again.
It gets stronger from trying to remember it.
Power phrase. Let me try to remember this.
Let me try to remember this.
And one more. I forgot, but that's okay.
I forgot, but that's okay.
See that one a lot. Life gets easier when you can say it without shame.
Part 4. The night reset.
The part almost everyone skips. Okay, so the day is almost done. But there's one more part people usually forget. The evening.
And honestly, this part decides tomorrow. After a long day, if your brain feels tired, that doesn't mean you're weak.
It just means your brain wants a reset.
And the best reset isn't a phone screen.
It's movement. A walk, some music, even just dancing in your room.
No judgment here.
New phrase. My brain needs a break.
My brain needs a break.
And in the evening, don't study your hardest subject again.
This is just for review. Try to remember what you learned earlier, before opening the book again.
And now, here's the one habit that can genuinely change your life.
5 minutes before bed. Just 5.
Open a notebook. Write 2 things. 1, a small win from today. 2, your first task for tomorrow morning. That's it. Not a long list, just one task. Why? Because the biggest reason we waste the morning
Is confusion. Where do I even start?
And when tomorrow's task is already decided, your brain doesn't have to think.
It just has to act.
Phrase. I already know what I'll do first tomorrow.
I already know what I'll do first tomorrow.
There's a Japanese practice called hansei. 1 minute. Just ask, what went right today? What's one small thing I can improve tomorrow?
No guilt, no judgment. Just a tiny step forward.
And finally, sleep. People think, I'll sleep 3 hours less and finish more.
But your brain organizes everything you learned while you sleep.
Less sleep doesn't mean more learning. It usually means less.
Phrase. I need a good night's sleep.
I need a good night's sleep.
Part 5. The real truth. Okay, before we finish, one honest thing.
There's no such thing as a perfect routine.
Some days you'll wake up late.
Some days, your whole plan falls apart.
Some days you just won't feel like doing anything.
And that's normal. Genuinely.
The mistake isn't having a bad day.
The mistake is saying, I'll just restart everything on Monday.
No. Just make one good decision. Right now. In this moment.
Missed your morning? Fine. Don't miss the afternoon, too.
Phrase for this. And honestly, one of the most useful sentences in English. I'll just start again.
I'll just start again.
Because consistency doesn't mean never falling.
It means falling and getting back up. Again and again.
One bad day doesn't ruin a life.
But small good choices every single day? Those change everything.
So tonight, you don't need to say tomorrow for sure again.
Just pick one small thing. Where will your phone charge tonight?
What's the first thing you'll study tomorrow?
What's your very first task in the morning?
That's it. That's the whole system.
And hey, if this episode helped you, here's your homework.
Comment one sentence, just one. Tomorrow I will.
In English, even if it's not perfect.
We read every single comment.
We really do.
Come back tomorrow. We'll practice more English together.
And remember, you don't need a perfect routine.
You just need one small system and one small start.
See you next time.
See you next time.